So first off, let's take a look at what we get in the box. We get the bass bridge, 2 Allen keys, and we get some screws in there as well. So let's get to work on swapping this over. Right, strings are off. Let's undo these. Right, let's get that off and let's see how this lines up. There we go. Let's get it on. Now you do have both options with this to go through body strung or top load. Obviously this bass has not got the holes to go through body, so I'm going top load on it. So let's get the strings back on. Slot that in there. Tidy up some of these grub screws. Next up, set the intonation with the little grub screws on here to move these back and forth to get the intonation right. So let's do that now.